प्लस टू फर्स्ट इयर फिजिक्स यूनिट 1 है फिजिकल वर्ल्ड एंड मेजरमेंट एवं आज गोटे टॉपिक है फिजिक्स एंड इट्स स्कोप विषय डिस्कस करवा। सो फ्रेंड्स आज वीडियो स्टार्ट करने पूर्व मु विक्रम आपण को आरजी ब्लॉग्स रे स्वागत करुछि। आशा करुछि आपण माने समस्ते भलरे थिबे या जगन्नाथन पाखरे मो प्रार्थना। जदि आपण माने हमरो एही चैनल को फर्स्ट टाइम आसी ताहले प्लीज ए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करनियंतु जद्वारा आपण एपरि आहुरी अनेक इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस आगो को पाई परिबे एवं जे कोनसी वीडियो आमे एठारे अपलोड करिबा संगे संगे आर नोटिफिकेशन आपण पाई परिबे एवं कोनोसी वीडियो मिस करिवे नाही। कारण एठारे मो प्लस 2 एवं मैट्रिक रो डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट एठारे मो रेगुलर अपलोड करिबी। The scope of physics. Physics is the study of energy, matter, and their interaction. It is very broad field because it is concerned with matter and energy at all levels, that is from the most fundamental particles of matter to the entire universe. Some people would even argue that physics is the study of everything. Important concepts in physics include motion, forces such as magnetism and gravity, and forms of energy such as light, sound, and electrical energy. The physics can help you understand just about anything in the world around you because everything around you consists of matter and energy. Below are some examples. The strings of a cello converts from vibration into sound, and an incandescent light bulb converts electrical energy into heat and light, and a swimming tennis racket possesses energy that will transfer to the ball when it hits. The word physics comes from an ancient Greek and translates to the nature or knowledge of nature. The goal of physics is to develop theories from which mathematical models can be derived to describe our observations. One of the ambitious goals of physics is to develop single theory that describes all nature. Rutherford famously equipped all science is either physics or stamp collecting. The scope of physics is quite vast as it deals with the different circumstances under different quantitative and qualitative experimental conditions. The scope of physics can be understood under the two disciplines. One is macroscopic, that is classical physics, and another is microscopic or modern physics. So today we are discussing about macroscopic. Macroscopic physics deals with the physical world of large bodies. The macroscopic domain of physics includes the study and understanding of finite size objects and terrestrial bodies. We study the macroscopic domain of physics in classical physics. Classical physics deals with the macroscopic bodies at terrestrial and astronomical level. It helps in understanding the interaction between two bodies, the force they apply to each other, and what they are made of. Classical physics is again subdivided into following disciplines. First one is mechanics, second thermodynamics, third electrodynamics, and fourth is optics. So let us see about what is mechanics. Mechanics deals with the motion and general system of particles, deformable bodies, rigid bodies, and flow of liquids. In mechanics, we study the position and basic of mechanics where and energy of the object. Newton's law of motion frames the basic of mechanics where we get to know about how bodies and forces are interlinked and how we can modify them to get desired inventions. Mechanics covers following concepts. First one is a rocket propulsion with the help of ejecting gases. Second is propagation of water waves or sound waves in air. And third one is equilibrium between bodies under different experimental conditions. Let us see what is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics deals with the relation between heat and conversion of heat into different types of energy like mechanical, electrical or chemical energy. You will get how engine work, what efficiency is and how thermodynamic affects our life at various levels. In thermodynamics, we study about efficiency of heat engines and refrigerators, the direction of physical or chemical process, how body behaves differently at different temperature and surroundings, changes in internal energy and entropy, those supply of external heat and work are done on system. Now we will see electrodynamics. Electrodynamics deals with the interaction of charged bodies with magnetic and electric fields. Its basic laws are proposed by Coulomb's and Ørsted and are of great interest in thermodynamics. Some interesting applications in electrodynamics are the motion of current carrying conductor in electric and magnetic field and different types of voltage supply, that is DC or direct current and AC or alternate current, and how we can interconvert them to save electricity. And the last one is the working of antenna and transmission of signal, the flow of radio waves in ionosphere. Now let us see about optics. Optics is a branch of science which deals with the light, and its basic characteristics are reflection and refraction. Optics helps in analyzing the formation of image from distant objects by different types of mirrors and lenses. Many flabbergasting phenomena like the twinkling of stars, a scattering of light, the formation of rainbow, and time of sunset and sunrise are explained in optics. We learn in optics about the working of telescopes and microscopes, image formation in different types of lenses, color exhibited by the thin films. So let us study about microscopic or modern physics. Microscopic physics is a domain which includes the study and understanding of atoms, molecules, nucleus, and other tiny particles. The microscopic domain forms the foundation for modern physics. Modern physics is a subdivision of physics which covers the understanding of energy and matter at the microscopic level. Matter and energy are considered separate in modern physics, but alternate forms of each other, that is, they are interconvertible. Modern physics is studied under two sections. One is quantum mechanics and other is theory of relativity. Now we will see what is quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is the branch of science which deals with the motion and interaction of subatomic particles. Quantum mechanics helps us to understand how the universe operates at the atomic level. Several important concepts like quantization of charge, wave particle duality, the uncertainty principles are covered in quantum mechanics. So let us see theory of relativity. Theory of relativity is proposed by Einstein. The theory helps us in understanding inertial or non-accelerated and non-inertial or accelerated frames of reference and how it affects subatomic particles. Theory of relativity is the reason behind why Sir Albert Einstein is known as father of modern physics. So, overall, the glimpses of physics is beautiful and becomes more appreciable as we learn more about the subject. The scope of physics is quite vast and covers an enormous range of magnitude of physical quantities like mass, length, time, energy, etc. The scope is divided into two sections. First is where on one side it studies about the phenomena at every very small microscopic level involving and analyzing electrons, protons and neutrons. At the other side we try to study bodies of huge size orders. Physics is exciting in a number of ways. The scope of physics expresses itself in some beneficial ways. Are few concepts and laws can explicate many natural phenomena covering large order of quantities. New experimental helps in unlocking secrets of nature and norms, new laws to explain complex theories. Application and modification of laws help in inventing good devices to ease human comfort. So friends, this video is prepared by collecting data from various websites, and the links of the websites are given in the description below for your reference, where you can know more about the subject matter. And I again request you all to please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.